Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to add a PHP page in our WordPress HTML and WordPress pages. So we have some basic steps to add up any PHP, any HTML code to in our WordPress pages. So we have just simple steps. First we need to go to our theme file. So I am activated a Hello Elementor theme. So I'm go back to our themes. So here's our themes. I will highly recommend it to create a child theme. So after we are creating this child themes, we have a lot of options. We just go to our plugin, how to create a child theme. So just type a keyword child theme. So WP child theme generator. So I'm just installing this plugin. Activated. So once the plugin is activated successfully, so go to plugin setting, child theme generator, go to appearance theme, yes, choose the theme hello Elementor. So create and activate theme URL. You just add up basic steps, author URL, license origin if you are leave blank. So here's create child theme. So it's created a child theme of our themes. Go back to our themes. You can see has a created child theme, function, style, and basic 3 items of child themes. So here's created child theme successfully. So now our next part is open in our Visual Code Studio, CMD code. You can open your own editor and using without command. You can also open using this here, open folder, open file as you want. So here's our function.php files. So here's our styling file. Here's a screenshots of the basic. So the next part is creating a template. So just create a template. Name is about us.php. So I'm creating a template page for about us to assigning about us template. So this is our basics. So we go to our WordPress documentation, create template. So I'm always recommended must follow the documentation of WordPress or any library, because documentation give a more creative and custom details, so you can learn more things from reading our document. So there we have a lot of options to create a template. So page slug, if you creating a page, so you just add a page, add new page. Let's suppose I'm creating about us, so publish page. So you can just copy the slug of the page. Here's URL and here's slug. You just copy the slug and you can type the page hyphen and slug name.php. So automatically set up for the PHP page for this page. So you can also use id, page.id, post, same as post, same as singular. So we have a lot of options. So we can use a simple template name using template name. So this is just copy the code, go back to your PHP file and paste, or 2 times. So it's 2 time copy, so 1 time remove. Just here's our template name, declare in the top of the PHP file. So the template name is about us. So save it simply. So go back to our next step. So you can choose your page attribute. So here's your page attributes. So here's your page. You can see no template available because we need to reload this page. So here's now you can see the template list of here about us template. Let me before open this link. I'm not updating. So you can see this is a theme basics. If you add a here the image gallery, upload an image from media library, you can select 3 to 5 images, create a gallery, insert and update. You can see this is the WordPress default page. Oh, I'm just updating because I'm setting up a template. So go to default, update. So now this is the default WordPress template. If you want to embed your PHP custom template, so just change here about us is behave like a WordPress. In admin dashboard you can use a menu, you can use slug, each and everything, and you can use as SEO purpose. So you can add here like this. So now it's going like this, echo get the title. So it's return the page title. So here's the page title. Is if you want to return the content, echo get the content, is return the page content. So you can see here's the return the gallery. So you can add your own custom HTML also. Let's suppose you can add h1 hello page. Bottom, because we have add after hello page, you can see here hello page. So this is our basic steps to how to add a PHP ending code. You can just implement your code, HTML, PHP, and bootstrap styling, and make it dynamic, make it form, make it table, so it's automatically shown in here. So this is our basic step to how we can add a PHP page in WordPress and WordPress. So you can see in documentation, so we have another option, page hyphen your page name. So you can use this option also, creating a template for page. So we have a lot of options. So how to add a page in our WordPress, PHP page in our WordPress. So today we learn how to create child theme using plugin, how to add a page in using HTML, PHP in our WordPress. So hope so you like it and you learn it. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more and latest content. Thank you very much.